Hello everybody, and don't forget to click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to smash that like button. Well, let's get into the video. Hi everybody, this is Tonkla from 6E RAS Swiss, and this is a project I'm going to do. Well, it's about the solar system, but I'll tell you that in the next clip. Actually, this clip is supposed to be the one that tells you. So we're going to be talking about solar system, and let's get into the project. So the first question is, what is our solar system made of? Well, it's obviously made of planets, stars, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, but not that answer. I want the answer where, it's more specific, like dust or gas. So, I want to tell you that how the solar system began, because that has all to do with dust and gas. So, the solar system began when a molecular cloud collapsed. It made like dust and gas combined together. Actually, not all the molecular cloud collapsed, only a tiny part of it. And even that tiny part, most of it, the tiny part, made our sun. And it was a tiny part, remember that. The sun looks like this, as you see in my hand. And the other small parts, that's like the least of even tinier bit. The least of the small parts made like Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, and other galaxies, planets. Well, not galaxies, just planets and solar systems. Anyways, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, there's also the star exploding, as you can see right here. The star is extremely violent and is about to explode. Why is it not exploding? It's supposed to be exploding. We'll be back. I will make this star explode. Did the star explode? I don't know. But I think we've taken this too long already for the first part. So let's move on to the second part. Jovian planets and terrestrial planets. Well, the Jovian planets are like ones which are very cold, the ice giants, or the ones which are made of gas giants. The gas giants are Jupiter and Saturn. The ice giants are Neptune and Uranus. Terrestrial planets are ones which are made from hard rocky surfaces, like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. So, actually, I have a fact for you. Earth is the only planet for the terrestrial and Jovian planets which could support life on it. Well, I'm pretty sure you already know that, but anyways, I just wanted to give you some facts. So, the gas giants are, make an example, Jupiter. Jupiter, you can see it like a round ball, but it's actually not exactly a ball, but more of gaseous form. Just take a look at this. Jupiter. This thing can pass through Jupiter right away. See? It can pass through it. And come to look at the terrestrial planets, like Earth. Look at this nacho trying to get through Earth. It is not succeeding because it has a hard and rocky surface, which prevents it from getting through the Earth and prevents us from falling to the center of the Earth. And the ice giants like Uranus, make that as an example. It's so cold there. You won't survive 1 second if you land on there on your rocket. You will freeze to death even though you have a lot of jackets on. So, moving on. Number 3. Meteoroids, asteroids, and comets. What are the differences between these 3 things? Well, they are extremely different. I can tell you that. The comet example, did you know that it's called a shooting star sometimes? And also, the comet is usually like a lot of meteoroids because of when it gets destroyed by other things. The debris is meteoroid for simple. Meteoroid is like from a grain of sand to a big boulder. The asteroid is like anything which is metal or rock, like 10 meters or larger. That's what an asteroid is. Hopefully I've taken long enough. But anyways, moving on to the 4th one, orbit. You're wondering, we orbit the sun, I know that, but if we orbit the sun and the sun has a gravitational pull, why don't we just burn up and like the earth falls into lava, the sun? Well, this is the reason. Try this experiment. Get a basketball, get a tennis ball, tie a string to the tennis ball, swing it around, and see, the tennis ball won't hit the basketball when you're spinning it around. It's just like Earth. It's like Earth is tied to a string. That's what keeps us from getting annihilated by heat and energy. That's how we don't get like annihilated. So that's all for my science / geography project. Well, see you all next time on another science or music video or geography video. See you next time.